Title: Mastering AutoCAD, Unlocking the Power of Digital Design. Introduction. AutoCAD, short for Computer-Aided Design, revolutionized the field of design and engineering with its powerful tools and versatility. Developed by Autodesk, AutoCAD has become the industry standard for creating precise 2D and 3D drawings. Whether you are an architect, engineer, designer, or artist, AutoCAD empowers you to bring your ideas to life on a digital canvas. In this article, we will explore the key features and benefits of AutoCAD, highlighting its importance in various industries and showcasing its potential for unleashing creativity. An overview of AutoCAD. AutoCAD provides a comprehensive suite of design and drafting tools that enable users to create accurate and detailed drawings. It offers a rich set of features such as geometric construction, dimensioning, 3D modeling, rendering, and annotation. The software's intuitive interface and extensive command library make it accessible to both beginners and advanced users, allowing for seamless creation and modification of designs. Unleashing creativity with 2D and 3D design. AutoCAD offers unparalleled flexibility in design creation, empowering users to express their creativity in both 2D and 3D environments. With precise control over lines, curves, and shapes, 2D drafting in AutoCAD enables the creation of technical drawings, floor plans, and schematics with utmost accuracy. Additionally, the software's powerful 3D modeling tools allow users to visualize and explore their designs from various angles, providing a realistic representation of the final product. Enhancing efficiency and productivity. AutoCAD streamlines the design process, resulting in improved efficiency and productivity. The software's parametric drawing capabilities enable the creation of intelligent objects, where changes to one component automatically update related elements, reducing the need for manual adjustments. Furthermore, AutoCAD offers extensive customization options, allowing users to create personalized workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and develop custom libraries of commonly used elements, saving time and effort. Collaboration and documentation. AutoCAD simplifies collaboration among design teams, enabling seamless communication and information sharing. Multiple users can work on a project simultaneously, with the ability to track changes and integrate feedback in real time. The software also facilitates the creation of comprehensive documentation, including detailed annotations, dimensioning, and cross-referencing, ensuring clear communication of design intent to stakeholders, contractors, and clients. Integration and interoperability. AutoCAD seamlessly integrates with various industry-specific software and tools, enhancing its versatility and compatibility. Whether it's integrating with Autodesk Revit for building information modeling, BIM, workflows, or exchanging data with GIS software for geospatial analysis, AutoCAD provides interoperability that enables seamless data transfer and collaboration across different design disciplines. Applications across industries. AutoCAD finds applications in a wide range of industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and product design. Architects utilize AutoCAD to create detailed building plans and 3D models, engineers leverage its precise drafting tools for structural design and analysis, and manufacturers rely on it for creating detailed product blueprints. The software's versatility makes it an indispensable tool for professionals in various fields. Conclusion. AutoCAD continues to be at the forefront of digital design, empowering professionals to bring their creative visions to life. With its robust features, flexibility, and compatibility, AutoCAD has transformed the way designs are conceptualized, created, and shared. Whether you are an experienced designer or a novice exploring the world of digital design, AutoCAD offers a world of possibilities, enabling you to master the art of digital creation and take your designs to new heights.